The process of applying for online loans can be a frustrating one for those who have never tried it before. The best advice is to give it a go at least once, and if you don't like it, then you're just wasting your time. The most important thing is to ensure that you understand all the terms and conditions, and of course there's one other key thing, which is that you must make sure that you get the highest interest rate possible. As mentioned earlier, online loans are different to traditional loans in that they are able to charge higher interest rates for that the principal loan amount is higher. So it's important that you take this into consideration as you apply for an online loan for Missouri. To achieve this, you must look for an online lender that offers a loan with a low interest rate. This will ensure that you receive a much lower interest rate than you would have received had you applied for a traditional loan, and at the same time you will save yourself money by reducing the repayments. Just as important as the interest rate is the term of the loan. The longer the term, the more money you stand to save, but it will be back to the lenders to persuade you into getting them a longer period of loan, as they will generally have to put their profits up against the principal of the loan. If you are interested in purchasing a home in Missouri, you will need to first look for an appropriate lender that will offer you a loan. There are many lenders online that offer the loan that you are looking for. You will have to compare the interest rates, terms and conditions offered by each and every loan. In particular, you will want to look for a lender that offers a higher interest rate on a loan. This is because you will be able to repay it in a shorter time frame. So if the interest rate is fixed, the lender will have to make the money back to the bank quicker, and in doing so they will have to offer a higher interest rate to compensate. Another factor to keep in mind is that a high amount of the loan will have to be taken out before any home can be bought, and this will mean that the mortgage will have to be at a higher rate. So a lender should offer a competitive mortgage. When you do locate a lender, this is where it's important to make sure that you do some research. It's possible that the rates offered to you may not be in line with those that you find elsewhere. It's also worth talking to friends and family to see if they can recommend a lender. A lot of people find that lenders are bound to offer competitive interest rates, which can make a difference. The last thing you should do is make sure that you are able to repay the loan. Once you have found the lender, don't let it get in the way of getting the loan completed. Make sure that you don't let anything get in the way of the loan. While an online loan may seem easy to apply for, the longer the loan is taken out for, the more you are paying out in interest, which will then end up hurting you over time.